Okay, so as you can see, I've now gone and done this, and it probably only took about 15 minutes. Ran the lag bolt through the blue container, down inside of that one, down inside the second. What's really cool is how these all fit and they create a natural lip and give it that nice little definition. That's all part of the cup. If you look inside, there's the bolt and the washer. Right, 12 inch is what you really want. I tried an 8-inch before, and 8-inch just was not the right length. And then I'll crank it down a little bit more. I'll tighten it up, and then probably tomorrow I'll start priming it and then giving it a good paint job if the weather's good. But the finished product will pretty much turn out like this, right? And what's nice about this one, the bowl's a little bit deeper and you can just do more with it. In years past, we did stuff like we done Cherry's grapes. We threw a bunch of grapes in the bowl, and out of the dressing room we had the kids eating the grapes. It was kind of cool. Hockey fans get that little nudge nudge wink wink kind of joke. But like I said, I'm going to use a caulking to touch this up instead, because the glue gun just ends up cracking away. But every year you gotta spend another $8 on a nice can of paint, just because kids are kids. They use it, they abuse it, and it's just a heck of a lot of fun. All right, I'll talk to you later.